ต่อจังบางโอนตายแต่คำมันส่วนยมทาจางหลักยมนั้นบางหายมปีระเบียบโดยมินปีเพย์เตอร์โดยมินทำไมจังนั่นไงไอ้จังยมถือวิดีโอมองเท้าจังบางโอนายจังแจโดยมินโอเคอาจจะมาวิดีโอบานต่อตำมือทางนักเนี่ยนั่นไงดมอมยังเจ้าเพย์ระบอกยังนะนี่คือจะเพย์ทำไมบอกยมคือนั่นไงยมโลซิมเราจะปอนจังยังจังโดยมินยังเจ้ากระไรเพย์ยังจดสัญญาเตะใบនៅខាងហ្នឹងហើយយើងចុះរកពាក្យ setting and privacy ហ្នឹងហើយយើងយកពាក្យ setting ទៀតបងប្អូនរូបសញ្ញាដែលខ្ញុំគូហ្នឹងហើយយើងអូសមកក្រោមអូសមកអូរហូតទៅដល់ពាក្យ page set up ហ្នឹងហើយយើងចុចកន្លែងហ្នឹងមកហើយគេដាក់មើលកន្លែង page set up ហ្នឹងដដែលយើងចុចកន្លែងហ្នឹងមួយប៉ាច់ហើយយើងរកពាក្យadmin បងប្អូនឃើញអត់ពេលដែលខ្ញុំគូនឹងសញ្ញាដែលខ្ញុំគូហ្នឹងគឺ admin ហើយអានេះគឺ admin ចាស់របស់ខ្ញុំហើយកន្លែងដាក់ add new ថ្មីហ្នឹងគឺ admin យើងចង់បន្ថែម admin មួយទៀតអញ្ចឹងយើងចុច next បន្ទាប់មកយើងស្វែងរកថា admin ណាយើង Facebook ណាដែលយើងចង់ដាក់ page ណាដាក់ page យើងចង់កាន់ admin ណាឥឡូវខ្ញុំដាក់នេះខ្ញុំលក់ sim នៅជប៉ុននេះខ្ញុំវាយឃើញហើយយើងចុចពាក្យពណ៌ខៀវហ្នឹងគេ Asia ហ្នឹងហើយយើងចុចនៅនឹងមួយមកខ្វាច់យើងចុចខ្វាច់មកនេះគឺយើងគ្រាន់តែបំពេញ password ហ្នឹងគឺ password admin ចាស់បងប្អូនហ្នឹងហើយ password admin ចាស់ដែលយើងកាន់ page ហ្នឹងយើងគ្រាន់តែបំពេញទៅវាយ password ដែលយើងចាំហ្នឹងយើងបំពេញ password ហ្នឹងតាមហ្នឹងទៅគឺអូខេហើយកន្លែង password ហ្នឹងឥឡូវគឺអូខេហើយនេះគេដាក់អូខេហើយយើង invite ទៅ30ថ្ងៃរយៈពេល30ថ្ងៃហ្នឹងគឺយើង invite ទៅហើយអញ្ចឹងយើងទៅបើក Facebook ទៅឃើញហើយ